Good afternoon to you all, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you a very inspiring poem, A Thing of Beauty. A Thing of Beauty is written by John Keats, who is known as a romantic poet in English literature. So, the main theme of the poem depends as the title of the poem is given. A thing of beauty. So, a thing of beauty is a joy for ever. Its beauty always increase. It is immortal. It never change into nothingness. So now this is the main theme. Nature provides us a lot of things. So let us study about this poem in detail. Actually, A Thing of Beauty is an expert from John Keats' famous poem Endymion, a poetic romance. In this poem, the great romantic poet gives a definite message. What is the message? A thing of beauty is a joy for ever. Its beauty increases and it never passes into nothingness. A thing of beauty moves away the pall of unhappiness that covers our dark spirits. The beauties of the earth are lovelier than the lovely tales we have heard or read. That's why the poet John Keats says a thing of beauty is a constant source of joy. Its beauty keeps on increasing. It never fades, nor it will ever pass into nothingness. A thing of beauty gives us peace and a sleep that is full of sweet dreams. We are bound to the beauties of the earth, as earth is very important for us. Dear students, as we know it well that we suffer from malice and disappointment in our life. That's why John Keats suggests here we lack good human qualities and noble natures. These things make our life gloomy. We also develop unhealthy and evil way. they cause us nothing but suffering and pain. In spite of all this suffering, mankind has a hope. A thing of beauty never disappoints us. It is never devolute. Some shape of beauty removes that pall of sadness and suffering that covers our spirit. It is clear, there is no suspicion, of course. The sun, the moon, the trees, beautiful flowers, small streams, these all are constant source of happiness. We get a lot of happiness from these means of source. These beautiful things of nature make our life sweet, soothing, and happy. That's why at last the poet John Keats says, these beauties of nature are lovelier than all lovely tales, and we have heard or read. Nature is an endless fountain pouring into us a heavenly, immortal dream. Thanks, that's all. I hope that you have seen a lot of things about things of beauty, and now it would be the main things that you will note in your copy. A Thing of Beauty by John Keats is a beautiful poem with a beautiful message. The poem is an excellent example of true poetry. The poet feels that the persons are beautiful, so you will note it all in your copy. That's all. Thank you.